Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to start this morning with our Scrudú Litriú, our spelling test. Please make sure that you have a sharp pencil ready and that your lockdown copy is ruled nicely with one long margin drawn with a ruler down the middle, that your date is on the top right hand corner, and that you've got nice titles, English and Gaeilge. We are going to have 6 English and 6 Gaeilge or margin. If at any time you need to pause the video so you can think and spell, that's no problem. Please pause the video and read over all your new spellings from this week now. And when you are ready to start the test, you can press play. Number 1. Float. I like to float my boat in the bath. Float. Number 2. Flood. There was a huge flood after the torrential rain last night. Flood. Number 3. Flower. The lovely spring flower will start to blossom soon. Flower. Number 4. Flute. I love listening to the instrument, the flute. Flute. Number 5. Friend. It is important to have a kind friend. Friend. And number 6, because. We never start a sentence with the word because. Because. Gaeilge anish. Iver a hain, number 1. Putha. Cur me an putha on iron. Putha. Iver a do. Sputha. Tá sputha jarag on mala. Sputha. Iver a 3. Thuras. Chula me canog on thuras. Thuras. Buska. Cur me banana bui is jock the buska lone. Buska. Iver a cuig. Ucras. Tá ucras urim. Ucras. Agus an ceann déarnach, the last one. Rulla. Tá anam an rulla. Rulla. When you are ready, make sure you have read back over all your spellings for today, and then correct them with a helper at home and send them to us on Seesaw. Well done.